Hey, what's up? Hey, I just want to do a quick little video here with some new information about the Groove funnels that you see me showing people on my pages. This is the greatest system that I have come across yet for building your funnels. Believe me, I've tried other funnel builders that I cannot use. This one I can use. Great introductory price of $0 right now. But listen to this video that was just produced by the owners of Groove Funnels this afternoon. The information is out. I want to give you some snippets here and there, and I want to show you how easy it is to build your first free funnel. So let's go. I'm going to share my screen. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Just listen what they have to say here.
From all over. Now the chat is absolutely flooded. So do me a favor, put a 100 in the chat if you're excited to see this infographic, and if you see the little scroll bar over here. Let's start up at the top, right? You see the scroll bar. We've got a lot to cover. Put a 1 in the chat if you're really excited about all of this stuff. 100, yeah, thank you very much. Okay, I'm standing. You can feel my energy. Really excited about what we have to share with you today. Let me just make this full screen. So I want to just preface this, and so we know the scope about what this meeting is about and what it's not about. We had a State of the Groovian about 2 weeks ago. You can find that in Facebook. We spoke about the launch and the lifetime and all of those different things. And just a quick recap on that, because then we're going to move on and we're really going to focus on this. We have a brand new page at groovefunnels.com, a brand new video. That's at groovefunnels.com. That's already increased our conversions. We are adding the one-time offer, which is basically the upgrade price that it is right now. That's going as a one-time offer, that if people pass on that lifetime price is going up $500. We are going to let all of the members know. The 155,000 users that are in the system are all going to be getting an email that they have 2 weeks to buy that before the price goes up from $1,397 up to $2,000 or up to $3,000 depending on the payment plans. So everybody's going to get a notice on that. And then we are going to be, after that, we are going to be doing an affiliate launch. We're going to be giving away the brand new, Corvette mid-engine car is going to be given away as our prize, plus other things. There's going to be $100,000 in prizes. More on that stuff's going to come. You can expect that launch is probably going to come around.
Okay, so that's what I wanted you to hear. Right now, you can sign up for $0. You get to build 3 funnels, websites, both the same but different, but you use it the way you want to. I'm using it as both to build funnels for my website and then funnels for a website itself. I'll have another video coming out explaining the differences, but for anybody out there that understands you need a website/funnel, this is the system. You can sign up now for $0. $0. Lifetime $0. You're going to get the Groove funnels. You can build 3 funnels, 3 websites. You get the Groove Marketplace, a number of other tools that you can use. Before you even purchase all the bells and whistles, you can use it and get used to using it. Very simple. And it's so simple, I want to show you how you can use your very first funnel to start bringing people to you, not just for Groove funnels, but for any business that you have. Very easy. Let me show you. I'm going to share my screen again. Here, I'm going to go to a little hamburger partner, which I don't want to go to. I'm going to go straight here to Groove funnels, Groove pages. I've already got some built. I've got the paid version. I can build unlimited. But for you, you get to build 3. And if you don't like the first one, erase it, start all over again. Not a problem. But you can build up to 3. Let's just say new site. Let's go to their templates right here. These are the templates that they have built in already, made for all businesses, upsells, BSLs, thank you pages, supplement page, yoga challenge, digital marketing courses, which I'm building one right now, event registration. You can use this for, I use Webinar Jam. I can use this for Webinar Jam, but included in the price of all the bells and whistles, in the next 30 days, they're coming out with their own platform within GrooveFunnels that is the same as Webinar Jam. If anybody knows what Webinar Jam is, where you can produce your own live webinars to bring people in to show them your products and services anywhere, anytime. Anyway, right now we're going to select a very easy video campaign right here. Let's go to the VSL. You can preview it. And this is what it would look like right here with a button. Everything's set up. So let's come in here, select the very first video landing page. So we'll select it. Here's the builder. Put your headline in here. Configure, you want a different YouTube video. Let's just jump over to YouTube. Let's type in GrooveFunnels. Here's some Groove sales, blah, blah, blah. There it is. It's 10 minutes.
Hi, my name is Mike Filsame.
Great information. Go down here to share. Copy the URL. Put this right here in the YouTube channel. It will show up here shortly. Down here to the button. Text button, link to. We want this to link back to a URL where I am going to use my URL. Partner program right in here. Oops, URL. Paste it right in there. Carry over parameters, open a new tab, update that. Okay, update. There's the video showing up there. I'll publish this. Publish. Turns green. Might take a few minutes before this goes. Here it is. Publish that. Come down here, get the drop down menu, hit the blue, go live. There it is. And just that easy. Here's your link. You can take this and put it into a bit.ly if you'd like. Shorten that up. Create. Drop your link in here. Create it. Copy this. And if you put your short link into a browser, there it is. There's the first landing page.
Hi, I'm Mike Filsame. I'm the co-founder of GrooveFunnels, and we have a question for you. Why, in the last 60 days, have over 75,000 users made the switch to GrooveFunnels? We're about to tell you why.
Hey, and I'm John Cleta, Mike's partner and co-founder. You know what? Those incredible numbers.
Where people can learn more and they can sign up, and that easy. And you can sign up right here. This is everything you get, everything you're going to get. Sign up. It's free. What's stopping you from doing this right now? And it's that easy to make your very first landing page, get it out there, start bringing people in. This is a free program to sign up for and start using now. Learn some new skills, gain some knowledge, and get out there and start doing it.